all due to multiple fires.
Well, I guess we can't complain about our weather.
Yeah, those prairie fires, they come roaring through. There's the winds out there.
Nothing stops them, right? They just come rolling across.
Yeah, it just comes really, really fast across the prairie. So around here, we've got plenty of moisture. Do we have enough cold air is probably the question mark we have. So we have a lot of winter weather potential this week. Tomorrow, around noon, we're going to start to get some rain in here. And then as the cold air kind of moves its way in, it'll change to snow from north to south. That's one event, and as I showed you, it's not going to be a huge storm for us. Friday night and early Saturday, about the same amount of moisture, maybe a little bit more, and it is coming in a little bit later, so it's going to be a little bit colder as we get into the evening on Friday, so a little bit better chance we get some more snow out of it. And Monday, that's the one that keeps getting all over social media. Storm is possible, but there is great big disagreement between the models as to what's going to happen. So let's jump ahead and talk a little bit about Monday. If you want to get your perfect snowstorm, you have the storm, the low pressure, cross at what we call the benchmark. It's 40-70. So if a storm crosses there, that's when you get your big snows out of the whole thing. Now, the European model for the last couple of days has said this thing is going to be too far out to sea. Now, today it brought it in, but just barely touching the coast. So this is not a big storm, but it is now finally showing a storm, even though it is tracking farther offshore. Now, the GFS model, the U.S. version of this model, has been really kind of pretty consistent, wanting to get a full-fledged nor'easter going in here for Monday. So we'll see what this trend goes. If this one pulls this way more and the other one pulls in, once these two kind of come together, we'll have a little bit better idea of exactly how much snow is going to fall. But it's 5 days away. So a lot can change with these computer models. And just to give you an idea, this one would produce over a foot of snow in Boston. This one would produce about 1 inch of snow in Boston. So there's a huge difference on exactly where that track ends up. In the meantime, we have tomorrow. Now, tomorrow, a lot of clouds, and we're going to start to see some light rain coming in around noon. It will then change over to snow, and eventually the cold air will push it over to snow. I'm starting to see a kind of a southerly track on this axis of maximum snow. So it never was going to be a big storm for us, but I think the bigger storm may actually be more out to the west now. So that's why I'm calling it kind of a general 1 to 3. Boston probably closer to a 1 inch category. 3 as you get out to the west, with some elevation in western Mass. 3, 4, perhaps an isolated 5 inches of snow out of it. It's all because warm air is trying to move its way in here. So that one goes by, it's gone. Thursday's nice and quiet. Friday, here comes the next one moving in. Now, as this one's got a little more moisture and a little more cold air, and it may produce a little bit more snow. So I have a couple of computer models that kind of kick out some raw numbers. These are not a forecast, but it kind of gives you an idea of what we're looking at. The European, for example, not really showing much of a trend here. It's kind of looking like a 2 to 3 inch snowfall. The GFS is starting to show a little more consistency. So I'm starting to kind of think that this may be the model that we're going to be looking at, more towards that GFS model. So we'll keep an eye on that one. Again, that's not happening until Friday night. Tonight, well, we have 37 degrees, but the air is fairly humid out there. And that humid air flowing over that snowpack means we're probably going to have some patchy fog out there overnight tonight. So be cautious about that tomorrow morning. The rest of tonight, mostly cloudy, light winds, patchy fog, 26 to 32 for your overnight low. And tomorrow, cloudy day, and we'll see some rain by midday, changing to snow. Steadiest will be tomorrow evening. But before it gets here, temperatures will be up around 40 degrees tomorrow. And then your Thursday is a partly sunny 38-degree day. Nothing happened on Friday until we get to Friday evening. If you have Friday evening plans, just kind of keep real close tabs on the forecast. It'll be out of here fairly early on Saturday. Sunday, maybe a few flurries, but Sunday night and Monday, that's your chance for a storm. But I say chance because right now it is not written in stone. It could be a nor'easter and it could be a miss. And we've seen several misses on storms that look like this several days in advance. So we'll see what happens as we get deeper into the forecast. Ed Maria?